بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. My name is Wang Yunbo, working as a professor at Northwestern University of Political Science and Law, China. The title of my article is The Impact of Colonialism and Nationalism on the Marginalization of Islamic Law in the Muslim World. The Islamic law once was the mainstream legal system in the world, but due to various reasons, especially the Western colonialism and the nationalism, it has in fact gradually been weakened and eventually been reduced. Therefore, the purpose of this article is focused to conduct a longitudinal analysis of impact on the Islamic law during colonialist and then the nationalist periods. Accordingly, the article has applied the literal review as well as inductive and deductive methodologies throughout the discussion. The two key findings of the article as follows. First, the important role played by European colonialists is to further weaken and in many cases definitely eliminate the Islamic educational, legal, judicial, managing, as well as governing institutions. Instead, applying all of the Western one, as well as whose administrative and cultural institutions, based on pragmatism, serve as imperialist means of controlling and exploiting Muslim world, not as a tool for its socio-economic development. Second, the emergence of social institutionalism and low governmentalism has brought about a legislative hegemony, which largely dominates the legislative process and the judicial practices of Muslim nation-states. Moreover, the authorities and their legislative branches often serve as the only think tank for the legislation, but the Islamic jurists have no practical role in the legislation. In my conclusion, there are both internal and external reasons for negative impact on the Islamic law. But no matter how important the internal reasons may be, without intervention from Western colonialists, the Muslim world would not necessarily accept the Western law. Furthermore, many modern Islamic countries have been driven by nationalism to become independent and have entered an era of westernization and secularization in the various fields. Finally, the movement of secularism in the West and then in the Muslim world have also led the ruling classes and the supporters of nationalist countries to gradually believe that westernization and secularization are fundamental elements for modernization and the development of human society. At this moment, I encourage viewers to read the full paper for more detailed information. Thank you very much.